You call the refueler and ask him to come give us some more fuel.
All right.
So we'll have a look at that first.
All right, we're just going through the pre-flight check here, guys. So thank you so much for joining us today. We're at the Airways Aviation Academy here in Gold Coast Airport, and I'm with Mr. Costa, one of our
Costa,
wonderful
yeah.
instructors, who is gonna show us how to do a pre-flight. So
All right. Looks like we've got full fuel.
all right, that's amazing.
Yep. I'll just check the other side. Yes. All right. Okay. Excellent. The next thing, we'll take the chains off.
Mm-hmm.
It's very difficult to taxi with those on. You can't.
guys,
You can't
anytime
drain
you
it.
have
Okay.
any
All right.
concerns
Okay.
about
Are you ready?
anything in
Okay.
the plane, always
Perfect.
ask
Thank you.
the maintenance team
Yep,
to show
all
you
good.
around.
All right. Lovely.
Is enough? Is ready?
Perfect. Thank you.
One I can.
No, I'll put it back in the wing. Yeah. Thanks very much, Rodrigo. All right.
All right, so we've just drained the left and the right wing and also the underbelly. So
And no water or contaminants anywhere.
beautiful.
Perfect.
Looks clear.
Right. So I'm just going to pop that back in the
Right.
fuel tank.
All right.
Okay. All right. Now, you've obviously checked the elevator and rudder and everything, so all the control surfaces have been checked. Everything's done. The only thing we need to do is just check the oil, make sure we have enough oil, because obviously if we don't have enough oil, the engine will overheat and could seize. So we'll just do that quickly. Let's have a look. Okay, so you can see from the color of the oil that this this aeroplane is very close to being due for its oil change. Usually once the oil has been changed, it's really nice and clear. So this one's coming up very soon for a oil change.
So for audience watching this right now, when you have a brand new oil being put in, it's almost golden color, I would say. Yeah, almost
Absolutely,
golden color.
yeah. It's a sort of clear golden color. Excellent.
Thank you, Costa.
Oh, everything looks perfect. So
Perfect.
we'll go
Ready to
inside,
fly.
do some paperwork,
Awesome.
and we'll go flying.
Sounds good.
All right.
All right.
We will put in a departure time. It's 12:30 local now, so we'll put in 1 p.m. But we have to put it in UTC,
Okay.
so 0300. And we're going to go from here out to our training area where we do a lot of our flight training. And then from there we will come back to the Gold Coast.
Awesome. And we get to see the Gold Coast beach.
You'll see the
world-famous-
beaches, you'll see Byron Bay.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, and the lighthouse at Byron Bay. It's a shame that it's not a couple of months later in the year. You would have seen all the whales, because the whales are all playing in
I've
the
seen
water.
videos of the
jumping
whales.
out. Yeah,
That's
beautiful.
amazing.
Yeah, so around about July we start getting whales. So,
Amazing.
yeah. All right, so we're just completing the flight notification, and that is successful. So we'll print that off.
And are we required to have a copy of this at all times when we fly?
Yes, we take that with us.
All right. And
we-
is that a CASA regulation or an academy requirement?
It's an academy requirement. Yeah, the regulations don't state that you have to take a flight plan with you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. Good to know.
yeah. Right, so we've got our 2 copies. We'll take one and we'll put one on the board here that we're going to go fill in now with our details for our flight, so
good.
that all the staff here are aware of what we're doing. And if we don't come back at the specified time, hopefully if they like us, they'll start looking for us.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Juliet, Charlie, Zulu. Okay. Now, so we can start the engine.
Alright everyone, so we are here at the Airways Aviation Academy in Gold Coast Airport. Just turning on the Garmin G1000 systems and getting ready for our flight today. With me I have our flight instructor Costa.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so before we start the engine, we need to see if the oil temperature is hot or cold, because depending on if it's hot or cold, it'll determine how we go about starting the engine. Now, because this aeroplane hasn't flown today, the oil is cold, so we need to prime the engine with some fuel, otherwise it won't start from a cold start. So I'm going to do that now.
Alright, go ahead.
Excuse me,
Sorry.
I'm just going to... Sorry, this one unfortunately is not, it's manual.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
if
sure.
you can give me 3 full pumps.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Yeah, that's good. And
Put it
then
all the way in?
all the way in and lock it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Done.
Thanks very much. Okay. Right, feet on the brakes.
Feet
We
on the
make
brakes.
sure that, oh, we'll just wait for Taylor to go past. Don't want to give her a fright.
Alright, onto the keys.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you.
Should be that one. Okay.
Alright.
All right.
Clear prop! Clear prop!
Okay. Is it that one? No.
Is it? No.
Oh,
it
try
doesn't.
it. Try it. Oh, maybe the little silver one.
The
Let's
little
try this
silver.
one.
Alright, okay. Let's give that a try. Alright.
Other way?
The other way around, maybe. Yep,
That's
this feels like this is
Okay.
the one, the moment of truth.
All right.
Clear prop! 1, 2, 3. Yep. Alright.